The University of Exeter is investigating racist messages shared by law students in a private WhatsApp group after screenshots of vile and deplorable comments were shared on Facebook. Messages using the most racist language and references to bringing back slavery and encouraging gang rape were alleged to have been sent by members of the Russell Group University's prestigious law society. The WhatsApp exchanges include references to sending black people home, use of the most racist pejorative terms, the phrases "dirty Arabs" and "if you ain't English goes home," and references a stabbing which the messages say should have gone further. It says the Bracton Law Society should be for whites only and includes rape jokes, as well as referencing the infamous Rivers of Blood speech. Student Arsalan Matavali posted the messages on Facebook, and the messages are being investigated by the university and its students' union, the Exeter Guild. Last night, as the messages were shared to hundreds of thousands of people, Exeter University tweeted, "We unreservedly condemn any act of racism." It added, "Incidents of this nature should not, and will not, be tolerated, and we are committed to eradicating any form of discrimination or harassment, wherever it may appear." The Guild says it has zero tolerance for racism. The Bracton Law Society said it has taken the decision to remove those involved from committee. And indefinitely ban all those involved from the society. Law firm Hill Dickinson, at which at least one of those accused of sending messages claims to have a job, today said it was looking into the allegations as a matter of urgency and would be conducting a full investigation. Mr. Matavali said he initially created the chat group in 2017, but over time was removed as admin as it was taken over by other students. Revealing the messages on Facebook, Mr. Matavali said, "I'm sure everyone has recently seen the incident of racism at Nottingham Trent University recently. This event, along with various other factors, have compelled me to finally expose the below screenshots of multiple students of the law school who have repeatedly made racist and vile comments. With the help of others, I have launched a complaint to the Guild and university already, who are currently dealing with it, but due to the upcoming elections we believe it is necessary this is for public attention." Some context is obviously necessary. I created the group chat in the summer of 2017. It was originally 6 participants, and it was a normal group chat. Over time I was removed as admin by Matt and multiple other students were added. At this point is where the content became increasingly racist and deplorable. I remember one specific instance where Ash specifically stated, "I wish the jabs finished him," in regards to his peer who was stabbed earlier in the year. Not only are their statements disgusting, they are often targeted towards their peers and some of my close friends, whilst depicting them as an official society belief of Bracton Law Society, BLS, no BLS for peas, etc. Which I am deeply disturbed by, having been on committee last year, and I hope BLS rectify this. I did not voice my concerns in the group, but went silent for a long time, rarely pitching in to help with exam advice or talk about football. I mainly stayed in the chat to collect evidence. I did not come out with it straight away due to pressures of third year, consistent anxiety and worry of how to deal with the situation, so I just kept it to myself and distanced myself from university. All the screenshots attached need no explanation. Repeated racial slurs, a call for a race war, and racially insulting peers would be enough to get individuals severely disciplined, fired, and shunned in any other workplace. The guild, university, and BLS should act no differently. I refuse to stand by and let such people who speak in these terms go on to recruit at future law firms or be a part of university culture, whilst cowering behind their phones and talking like this about people that are part of the society they represent. If you're going to be a racist, be a racist. Just be prepared to face the consequences that come with being such a person. From multiple instances of anti-Semitism, blackface, and now to this. The University of Exeter has a serious racism problem that they need to deal with urgently and by setting a precedent. A spokesman for the University of Exeter said, "The University of Exeter does not tolerate any form of racist, sexist or bigoted behavior and is committed to eradicating any instances of discrimination and harassment that may arise." Following reports of allegations involving a small group of students, the university has launched a major investigation in conjunction with the Students' Guild and suspended the students while this takes place. The police have also been informed. While it would be inappropriate to comment further while investigations take place, full disciplinary action will be taken as appropriate.